Coinbase, Kraken, Papa John's banned in UK. So we're going to be checking out this article by Concepting. So the United Kingdom's advertising regulator has gone on a banning spree, targeting ads from a number of major crypto exchanges. So we have Coinbase landed itself in hot water with the Advertising Standards Authority for a Facebook ad over the summer. So the paid for post ad said €5 in BTC in 2010 would be worth over €100,000 in January 2021. Don't miss out on the next decade. Get started on Coinbase today. So the ASA ruled that this test was misleading, adding it implied there would be a similar guaranteed increase in BTC value over the next decade and did not make clear that past performance was not necessarily a guide for the future. Okay, the exchange had pushed back, arguing that there was no suggestion that BTC would definitely rise in the future. Instead, Coinbase said its ad pointed out that it was an exciting time for cryptocurrencies and did not direct users to buy cryptocurrencies. Ultimately, the ASA decided that the ad should not appear again in its current form, and future ads must say sufficiently clear that the value of cryptocurrencies can go down as well as up. So it definitely should always come with a disclaimer. So that's just the bottom line. If you they do your own research and not a financial advice, those must be incorporated. So Kraken also fell foul of the ASC's guideline in a 20-second advert that was running on screens at London Bridge Station. Although it did have a detailed warning that cryptocurrencies can be volatile, it only flashed on the screen for 1 second. The regulator said we considered it presented the consumer with a large amount of information that would not be fully read or understood, even if it was seen at all. So, guys, you want to also check out CMC's podcast. It's available on Apple and Spotify and Google also. The more ads are banned, others to get in trouble with ASA include eToro. The regulator took issue with an online ad that said Britons could invest in the world's top cryptos with one click, and found it was irresponsible because it took advantage of consumers' inexperience of credulity. So XMO also fell foul of the ASA's guidelines for its promotion of a YouTube video with Luno and Coinbob also breaching its code. Even the pizza chain Papa John was caught in the regulator's crosshairs for a promotion that said turn pizza into €10 worth of BTC. So the ASA has previously declared that crypto advertising is a red alert issue and that they can end up travelizing potentially life-changing sums of money. Other ads have been accused of creating a false sense of urgency. So you guys, you want to stay tuned. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. If you find this informative, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and peace out, guys. Shabakis.